Today I want to show you this small item. It's a flower pot. So there's a tea ball here. And it's made of silicone. This one is plastic. So, and I can open it. So I can put tea in here. At the moment I don't have tea leaves at home and I simply use a tea bag. I think the tea leaves are too small and it will come out from those holes. I don't think it's a good idea to open the bag. Doesn't matter, I just want to try it how it swims in my cup. If you use normal tea leaf, you just put it in here. I put it back, it's a little bit silly, but I just want to try it out. Oh. So it actually goes down. I don't know what's that for, so you can't see the flower at all. I thought it would swim on the top and it would be great. Or maybe I should use it like this. Oh yeah, actually it's designed for this. It's not saying, I can't see it from the instruction here. Okay, I leave it running for a few minutes and try the tea. In the meantime, let me show you the receipt here. It cost me 95 euro cents. I bought it from a shop in Germany when I was there on holiday, not an online shop. Okay, now I think it's time to try it. It's actually a very clever idea to come with the pot. I think I should leave it for longer. Anyway, I love this. I hope you like the video as well. If you like the video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.